Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you have joined from. These are extraordinary times. I had never imagined that I will be hosting a live event like this with more than 1,000 people from 85 countries. This is an amazing experience. First thing, I hope all of you are well and keeping safe. My heart goes out to all those individuals and families who are affected by COVID-19. And let's take a moment to thank all the healthcare workers, the doctors, the nurses, the medical staff who are working tirelessly saving lives by risking their own lives and the lives of their families. Yes, a standing ovation to all of them. Today is May 7, 2020. Our last in-person event, which is popularly called as Data Platform Day, happened at Microsoft Bangalore. And of course, due to COVID, our events in March and April got cancelled. Me and my team members got together and thought, what can we do different in alignment with the changing times? How can we continue with our learning endeavors? While we were doing webinars on a consistent basis and bringing all the latest from Azure Data World to you, we wanted to really do a virtual event because the X factor with our in-person events were missing. And then we brainstormed and came up with this idea of doing a virtual training event. Me and my team members, we are 11 of us, and we are hosting this live from our homes. You're only seeing me, but in front of me, I have the entire studio set up. And my team members, most of them are working mothers, are hosting this live from their homes. So all 11 of us are hosting this live from our homes. Speakers are delivering the sessions from their homes, and you're watching this from your home. This is incredible. In times to come, when people are watching this recording, they will know that we are all locked down, yet the student in us is still alive and we are learning together. So yes, very warm welcome to the first ever Data Platform Geeks Virtual Symposium. The theme is SQL Server 2019 and Azure SQL. Yes, SQL Server, my first love. I hope my wife is not watching. Anyway, I know you're raring to go and waiting for the technical sessions. Give me 5 minutes and I want to take you through a quick tour of Data Platform Geeks and SQL Server Geeks communities, who we are, our team members, what is our background, what is the kind of work we have done, and what is lined up for today and tomorrow, the 2 days of the virtual training event. The photograph that you're seeing on your screen is the first SQL community event of India. This happened sometime in 2004. I will not even call this as an event because this was just a get-together of a few people who were working on SQL Server. And I precisely remember there were 7 of us. You can see me standing right there in the front. And I'm so grateful someone clicked this picture because this is the only picture that I have of that event. And yes, this was the birth of SQL community in India, which is huge, which is massive today. And not only India, but the reach is global. Now let me take you through a quick timeline of how we grew. So after this first meetup of SQL folks in Calcutta in 2004, we continued to do such user group meets in other parts of India. We reached out to tier 1 cities, tier 2, tier 3 cities, and we had more regional mentors and like-minded folks who were working very actively on SQL Server who joined us. And we saw an organic growth with our community. At some point, it became so big that we decided that we should give a professional structure, a shape to our community. And that is where SQLServerGeeks.com was born. I'm sure that many of you know more about SQLServerGeeks.com than Data Platform Geeks. But anyway, 2010 was special and SQLServerGeeks.com was born. And then we continued to increase our events, our meetups, webinars, etc. On one side, we were doing and delivering all these events. On the other side, I was gaining a lot of inspiration from large-scale conferences like PAS Summits or SQL Bits and even TechEds. Of course, now we call that as Ignite. That in India, we should do a conference around SQL Server because something like that never existed here. And that gave birth to Asia's first SQL conference in 2015. We call that as SQL Server Geeks Annual Summit. And that was followed in 2016 by SQL Server Geeks Annual Summit of 2016. And community was growing and continued to grow. Incredible. in 2017, we kind of rebranded a few stuff because we were seeing, and even Microsoft was also watching, that the data space was growing beyond SQL Server. There were a lot of Azure data pieces coming into the picture. So we rebranded our conference from SQL Server Geeks Annual Summit to Data Platform Summit, and we formed a new entity called dataplatformgeeks.com, of which all of you are part today, and this is a virtual symposium that you're seeing. In 2017, we did Data Platform Summit, which was followed by 2018, and we delivered Data Platform Summit 2018. By this year, Data Platform Summit became one of the signature tech events of India, and we had participation from more than 20 countries. And this is very overwhelming, a true sense of satisfaction for me and my team members that our communities were seeing geographical reach beyond the Indian boundaries. We were also very grateful to Microsoft because in 2018, Rohan Kumar, who is the corporate vice president of Microsoft Azure Data, joined us. He delivered a fantastic keynote along with his team members. So think about it. Rohan, along with his team members, flew down to Bangalore, delivered the keynote, and his team members delivered some fantastic breakout sessions. And this was followed by 2019, when we had the first ever women keynote speaker, Gail Shepard, another corporate vice president from Microsoft Azure Data, along with her team members, flew down, delivered a fantastic keynote with multiple breakout sessions. 2018 and 2019 were truly special, and that embarked the arrival of this large community. My belief in community is that it is not owned by any individual or entity. It is just there. We are all here to nurture it and grow it further. And this picture speaks 1,000 words. Yes, you can literally see 1,000 people in this picture. This is the group photograph of Data Platform Summit 2018. At the back on the stage, you can see Rohan. Maybe you cannot see him. It's too far away. Along with some Microsoft Redmond team members. And look at this community. This were like 2018 and more than 1,000 folks from 20 countries who joined us. While many of you have photographs of your family members in your rooms, I have this photograph in my room. And this was followed by 2019 when Gail Shepard had joined us. And this was even bigger than 2018. Year after year, we are growing and we are seeing this organic growth. Now, think for a moment when I compare 2004 with 2019, and look at this contrast from 7 members to this massive community that has grown in these 15-16 years. True sense of satisfaction and the feeling of community and the passion around it. So yes, this summarizes all of it. In 2004, 7 folks from Calcutta, and then all that becoming 2020, we have more than 200,000 members on Data Platform Geeks and SQL Server Geeks combined. This is from 91 countries, and these folks represent close to 14,000 organizations. That's the reach. And I have no words to describe the sense of satisfaction me and my team members have today. Someone recommended me that instead of Superman, I should have Bahubali. Okay, next presentation, I will have that. And yes, we talk about the reach. This is a graphic that we made for last year's Data Platform Summit, where we showed the in-person reach that we had with our summit. But today with this virtual symposium, we have 85 countries that are participating. Let me now thank Microsoft. This is one company that truly understands the community and the culture behind communities. So we are very grateful to Microsoft, the Azure Data leadership that has that faith and belief and trust in us that we are able to deliver and grow and nurture the community. And these are our brands, SQL Server Geeks, Data Platform Geeks, and Data Platform Summit, the brainchilds which have become so big now. So with this, friends, that was just a quick tour, and welcome to SQL Server 2019 and Azure SQL Virtual Symposium. And first of all, thanks to our speakers. So we have a great lineup of speakers from Microsoft, from the MVP community, and the industry experts. If you look at some of the names here with 25 to 30 years of experience, you have incredible talent and expertise today with our speakers. And they're all delivering these sessions from their homes and little odd times. So we are very grateful and thankful to them. Now let me thank our knowledge partners. This entire event is free, and with all the costs associated around with doing events like these, without the knowledge partners, without their help, something like this wasn't possible. So let me thank Microsoft, Actifio, Stellar, DH2I, SQL Maestros, CData, and Irwin. A huge round of applause for all our knowledge partners. So please take a moment to visit them. The links are there in the chat window. Learn about their offerings. Me and my community team members have been very careful in choosing our knowledge partners. These are partners who have products or offerings that are very aligned to Azure data space. So maybe they have a solution that can solve one of your project problems, or maybe help you in your job roles. So very relevant offerings, very relevant demos today, and very relevant sessions by our knowledge partners. Follow us and join us on our various social channels. First up is the Twitter. Our Twitter is The Data Geeks, and for SQL Server Geeks, it is SQL Server Geeks. There's a lot of content on YouTube channels, SQL Server Geeks and SQL Maestros. Now, this is a common question that gets asked, that are these sessions going to be recorded? And what about the old webinars that we have been delivering over the last few years? So the good news is that all the archive is maintained. In fact, you will be surprised, but all the session recordings from 2010 onwards, yes, from last 1 decade, is available online. All you need to do is go to dataplatformgeeks.com or SQLServerGeeks.com, go to the events section, log on to our YouTube channels and watch all the recordings. And of course, subscribe to it so that you can be notified of upcoming new content. Everything is available online, the recordings and the session resources. You can also join us on Telegram, because that's becoming the new mood with the community, where people participate in discussions and Q&A over phone. So the Telegram channel links are up there. It's just Data Platform Geeks and SQL Server Geeks. We are also available on LinkedIn. And again, all the links are there in the chat window. My Twitter handle is _Bansal if you wish to follow me. This is the schedule for May 7. Take a picture of this slide. I'm going to count 5 seconds, take a picture and keep it handy. Done. Tomorrow in the opening note, I will give you the screenshot for May 8. Housekeeping. So please keep your microphone muted. Very important. We prefer that you ask all the questions at the end of the session. Please use the Q&A panel feature of Zoom, but keep your questions coming in. We will answer at the end of the session. The moderator will help along with the speaker. Use headphones or earphones to get the best experience out of the session. And if you're watching recordings, I would recommend using earphones. If you face any audio or video issues, unfortunately, we will not be able to give you any personalized support because of just being so many out there. Try a different network or a different Wi-Fi or hotspot. In previous cases, we have seen that if you're watching this live from your office, maybe the network or the firewall has blocked audio or video or something like that. So try to switch over to a mobile network. Please give feedback. That is very critical. After each session, you will have the feedback links in the chat window. So click on them and give feedback. You will also be asked to connect with our knowledge partners. So please participate there as well. And yes, talk about us in the social media. Bring along your friends and colleagues. The event is free. The hashtags are Data Platform Geeks, SQL Server, and Azure SQL. So please use the platform of your choice and spread the word. And yes, be attentive. This is a lot of free learning and great content coming right at your doorstep. Think about it. You didn't even step out of your home. So welcome once again, and my name is Amit Bansal, and my Twitter handle is _Bansal if you wish to follow me up there. Well, with this, the opening note was, the welcome note was quite precise, probably 15 minutes, and I hope I'm not late. And now it's time to welcome Ruchi Tushir. She is the director with Microsoft and works in the data AI space, and she leads the data AI evangelism in Microsoft India. And yes, we are very honored and grateful to have her to do this opening note for the virtual symposium. Ruchi, over to you, and I hope I am well in time.